Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hawwa, Livia, Mohamed, Azad. Today I'm going to read you a poem. My parents think I'm sleeping by Jack Persky. My parents think I'm sleeping, but I'm positively not. For beneath my pile of covers, I'm doing quite a lot. I'm reading poems and stories. I have my flashlight lit. I'm playing with the pieces of my model rocket kit. I was quiet as my shadow till the moment they were gone. I dove beneath the covers and snapped my flashlight on. So my parents think I'm sleeping, but that's simply their mistake. I got them fooled completely. I'm really wide awake. Jazakallah khairan.